Humble salutations at Swami's Divine Lotus Feet on this auspicious morning of Akhanda Bhajan. I have a small bit of momentous and yet another milestone service initiative of Swami to be mentioned to all of you. On the 26th of this month in Mumbai, Swami, along with the Chief Minister of Maharashtra and a host and galaxy of people from Mumbai and Maharashtra and all over the world, will be blessing the children of India and the world who have heart disease by laying the foundation for yet another majestic child heart hospital in Mumbai. It is truly nothing short of momentous and miraculous for all of us, and a blessing for all of us to be witness and participating in such a great service that Swami is rendering to several parts of the geography of our country. So many thousands of children, and especially Mumbai being what it is, to bring free service, to bring service to those who cannot afford but who are suffering and possibly waiting to die. To all those parents, Swami becomes their divine parent in the form of giving them life. To see that, to be a part of that, and to play some role today, tomorrow, and in the times to come, this great institution that Swami is setting up for not just curing children, but also setting up for the first time in the country and possibly the world, a training center for pediatric cardiac skills. So this is a unique institution of which the government there is extremely proud and looking forward to train budding paramedics, nurses and doctors in acquiring skills of pediatric cardiac work, so that not just in Mumbai but in different parts of the world we are able to offer care. It is my good fortune to look forward to seeing all of you directly or through the mediums that are now available, and I seek your good wishes, your prayers, and the blessings of all the elders here for this great service for the generations of children in the world. God bless and Sai Ram.
Sai Ram, as Swami is so happy to share this good news of the hospital with everyone that he could not have waited till evening. That is Swami. Service is the fulfillment of all the prayers that we make. Service is the culmination of all the prayers that we make. It is the end result of all the prayers that we make. All these namasmarana to invoke the blessings of the Almighty on everyone without any barriers of caste, creed, religion or geographies must ultimately result in the welfare of the world. While namasmarana we do for our Atma Kalyanam, that is for one's own emancipation, the Loka Kalyanam in the form of service must manifest in our actions. That is what is Manme Ram, Atme Kam. The name of Lord Rama in our hearts and Lord Rama's work in our hands. That is the right way of celebrating. The way we are doing Akhanda Bhajan, that is continuously Sarvada Sarvakaleshu Sarvatra Hari Chintanam. Likewise, Sarvada Sarvakaleshu Sarvatra Hari Sevanam. We must also constantly in an Akhanda way without any interruption, gaps, continue to serve the society. Both Smarana and Seva, they should, like two wings of the bird, help the bird fly up and reach the ultimate destination of divinity. This is the purpose of all the prayers, of all the chanting and all the singing that we do, ultimately should culminate into welfare of one's own self and in the process welfare of the entire humanity. It is a good news, and anything good should be shared immediately. Bad should be postponed. Therefore, today Srinivas has come with the invitation first to offer to Swami to, of course I don't need invitation, I have invited him, he has not invited me. But for the way of the world, that he has come and offered the invitation to Swami. Again, this is going to be a heart-shaped hospital, the very hallmark of Swami's pediatric cardiac care hospitals, and it is, though will be started soon on 26th of this November. The foundation stone will be laid within a year, not more, one day more, not one day less. Within a year, first surgery will also be performed in Bombay. Again, what you see today is not what has happened only today. For years, Indulal Shah is there. They all prayed, they came to Swami. They wanted to do a hospital in Bombay. They tried so many ways. That was not the right time. But the seed that was sown then, in the right season now, it is sprouting and it is going to grow into a hospital, one of its kind, which will also train doctors. We have traveled around the world, in Fiji, in Sri Lanka, in Nigeria, we are starting hospitals. But the one main issue that we have faced is there are no proper doctors who are trained. How long can we go and serve there? We must train their own doctor to serve their own people. With this sole intention, one of its kind in the world, completely dedicated pediatric cardiac care hospital, which is free, along with side-by-side training program that is also completely free for all the doctors who come from around the world to get trained. And this is the way Swami's mission is going to expand day after day. Heart expansion love, heart should have, not contraction love. Our heart now Raipur, then Haryana, near Delhi, now Mumbai, like this future Gujarat, Calcutta, like that one by one it is going to increase. That is the love, that is pure love, that is the expansion love. Everybody must develop that kind of love. Only loving me, chanting my name, singing my glory, that is only one part. The second part is serving me by serving others. That is why loving me is one, serving me is the other part. Love all, serve all. So while you sing my name, sing God's name, God's glory today in an uninterrupted way, in akhanda way, you must also make it a point, resolve and determine to serve God also in an uninterrupted way all through our lives. Where is God? God is in you, in everyone whom you come across. And therefore, by serving everyone, one is able to truly serve God. Be such examples where the Lord's name is in your heart and Lord's work is in your hand. With this twin ideals, we must proceed on the path of spirituality and ultimately realize our own true self. I had to share this because this is the result of all the singing, all the bhajans, all the chanting that we do. Merely lip service is not going to work. Hands that help are holier than lips that pray. Therefore, while you pray with your lips, serve with your hands. That is the fulfillment of all your spiritual sadhana. That is why I wanted to share this with you. Just like a good news one wants to share with one's own family as soon as it arrives. Therefore, I wanted to, first thing is I wanted to share with you this very good news. My blessings are there in abundance that this project, which begins on 26th of this November, will definitely complete before Swami's next birthday and begin its operations and services to the entire humankind without any differences whatsoever. And any service and every service in the hospital will be absolutely free of cost. No billing counter, no cash counter, not even for the food, not even for the stay of the patients and their parents. Absolutely free of cost. That is how our love should expand. Very happy.